Hi, Jeff Jones with 208 Premier Real Estate. We're previewing one of my new listings that just came on the market. This is 5353 Morninggale. It's a 4-car garage. It has tandem right here with 80-foot RV parking. There's two 10-foot gates right there. So we're going to check out the garages first and then work our way into the house. So you've got a 2-car garage with insulated doors here. At the back of the garage, there's a central vac system for the house, the furnace, water heater, and then water treatment system. And this is the tandem bay. And at the back of the tandem bay, we got some nice built-ins. There's a switch here so you can plug that bench in and then power your air compressor tools underneath here. And then you've got the side door, which accesses the RV parking on the side. And like to point out, this is 20 feet across here. You have two 10-foot gates right here and 60 feet of frontage for your driveway. So tons of parking at this property. And then new pad poured here. This is a 19-foot trailer that's here already. And then you've got a sewer drain out. So you could drain your sewer that goes into the public sewer system. This used to be grass right here. What they've done is actually, you can see here, they've capped the sprinkler right there in the corners. So you could just move this rock back and reclaim this for grass. But this is compression rock, so you can actually drive across it, and the way it's ground, your tires won't sink in. It just compresses down. And then there's hot and cold water on the side of the house, and then your drain out there. You've got 30 amp service and then 50 amp, so you can actually drop a hot tub on that pad right over there. And you've got a nice shed in the back, little waterfall going over there. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. We'll just go through the garage here. Nice epoxy flooring here, and got some height so you can put some shelves up here. And then all the interior doors are wrapped and really nice high-end doors. So we'll come in through the mud room here, and you can see here is a utility sink. You've got the laundry room right here, and then this pass-through into the primary bedroom's walk-in closet. So I like that. A lot of the newer homes are doing a door, but I prefer kind of the pass-through. So right when you come in this front door, nice tall 8-foot solid wood door, and then you've got your bathroom for these two rooms at the front of the house. This would make a great office. It's got a closet, and then your second room, and then real wood engineered. Well, this is actually tile flooring engineered to look like wood planks. So you got a fireplace, nice vaulted ceiling, really high-end appliances throughout. Custom backsplash back here. I like the metal inlays and the tile that they've done here. And then you've got your gas range and then a double oven and microwave built in. Then the crown molding along the top there, and then also kind of how the windows are wrapped throughout the house. So they kind of went a little above and beyond. This was a Biltmore home. Let's see. Berkeley Building Company. So about 10 years old. Extra storage right here. Okay, let's check out the primary downstairs bedroom and then the bonus room. So you've got a north-facing backyard, so you're never going to have the sun coming directly in, plus a door to access the back. Dual vanities in the bathroom here with a large garden tub made for two. Walk-in shower that's tiled from the floor to the ceiling. Privacy door for the commode, and then your walk-in closet with a pass-through to the laundry room. I like that feature. I think you could probably just cut that into some other homes. We're just gonna check out the bonus room upstairs. So let me know if you have anyone in mind that would like that RV parking or 4-car garage. So Jeff Jones with 208 Premier Real Estate. Here is the bonus room. So let me know if you know anyone interested. Bye.